I'm a yellow tomato and I'm super sweet, juicy and mild and a treat to eat. Call me by my real name, which is Brandywine. You cannot miss me growing on the vine. Hello survivors, our family and friends. This is Roy from Bootsy Sweetheart's Guide to Life and Other Disappointing Experiences with a not so disappointing experience. Here I am in my garden, protecting the crops from the critters and protecting a very prized treasure, a yellow Brandywine heirloom tomato. It is beautiful. Stay with me and see what I do with this prize. So this is the day I've been waiting for a couple of months. Here is this beauty. It's been growing for a couple of months. This is a huge plant, so it took its time. But today I'm going to enjoy my favorite tomato sandwich. So here goes. Now here's my hand. I don't have the biggest hand, but it fills my whole hand. Oh, here we go. Oh my, look at how beautiful. Perfect, and it just is slightly, it gives slightly, just know it's ripe. Let's take a look at the bigger one. I think it's bigger. It's way in here. Oh, it is bigger. Oh my goodness. I think we need a bigger loaf of bread. This weight was well worth it. My Brandywine yellow heirloom tomato. Well, life doesn't get much better than this. Working hard, getting exercise, enjoying a little victory garden, and enjoying its produce. This is what came so far. And we get eggplant once a month, maybe, not quite. Cucumbers are absolutely plentiful this year. Squash took a break, but they'll come back. Here's those beautiful tomatoes. I'll put them aside because we'll deal with them in a minute. All kinds of little, ooh, the table is shaking, sorry, all little tomatoes. We have those shishito peppers. They turn red if you let them sit on the vine a long time, longer than I can because I want to eat them. This is a yellow cucumber, and I may have time to show you what this looks like inside, but it's very, very unusual for us. We got it by mistake. We had bought a 6-pack of cucumber plants, and this was in one of them. We have green and yellow beans. We have long beans. And we're still waiting. We have some jalapeno. Let me see. We're going to have kale, Brussels sprouts. So the garden is moving along nicely. But this video is more about my favorite tomato sandwich. I'm out here on my on our patio. It's in the afternoon, and JFK Airport gets a little active in the afternoon. So these are our two Brandywine yellow tomatoes. This is the one I thought we were going to be surprised at because it was so big. But this one was hidden in the leaves. Just wanted to show you this one is over 3 inches wide, 3.5. It's 4 inches across. This one is 5 inches across. I don't know around, I'll do the circumference. Let's just give it a weight test. This one, let's see, this one weighs 13 ounces. Look at how big it is in my hand. This one weighs 1.25 pounds. This is some tomato. So now to make a treat that I look forward to all winter long, and that's my tomato sandwich. Made very, very simple. The simpler, the better. I need salt. I need pepper. I need salt. I need pepper. I need mayonnaise. And I need bread. And I need a tomato. Now this was funny. When I went to the cupboard, I saw the slices of bread, and they were so small compared to years ago. They didn't cover the tomato. So I ran out and got some of the sandwich thins, which I love. But even that is too small for the larger of the two tomatoes. So here, let me get some. This is the size of the sandwich thins. This is an Arnold product. This will be just fine. This, we need a bigger slice of bread. I'm going to hold this one aside because I bought some mozzarella cheese, and that is for a caprese salad. Behind me, I don't know if you can see, is a big pot of basil. So I'll be using that. So instead, I'm going to use my little sandwich thins. Okay. Oh, and the equipment, a knife, and something to spread the mayonnaise with. You can hear Our Lady of Peace in the background. So here goes. So I forgot my plate inside, and that's where it shall stay. Alright, here's the moment of truth. I washed these, by the way, to get the Tabasco sauce and oil off. It served its purpose, and it worked. By the way, it works for pumpkins, and it works for the daffodils, you know, the tulips. You don't want buggies to eat them like the squirrels did last year. Tabasco or cayenne, some oil, ordinary cooking oil, cheap cooking oil, and a lot of water in a spray bottle. It does it every time, protects it. Oh my goodness. Oh. Can you beat this? Beautiful. Alright, now I'm going to cut one big slice, probably just short of a ½ inch thick, because that's the way I feel. Here is my tomato for my tomato sandwich. Now I'm going to spread some mayonnaise. Yeah, like a little kid. This is like candy to me. I'm not spreading a little. You know what? I made it to almost 74. I'm a couple of days shy of 74. If tomato sandwiches haven't gotten me by now, I'm blessed. Perfect, perfect. I'll put just a little dollop here, just not too much. Okay, this is just an over-the-counter store mayonnaise. Oh my goodness. Now, for the necessities, must have salt. Without the salt, there's no party. It looks like more than I'm putting on. It's coming out very fine, and very fine pepper. Now you can dress this up. I could put some of the basil leaves on. I could do a lot of stuff, put a lot of things on this, but my favorite is bread, mayonnaise, tomato, salt, and pepper. Excuse me while I sample this nature's work of art. Oh my goodness. we have 3, 4, 5, I think, more on the vine that will ripen before the frosts set in October, November. This is manna from the gods. So if you enjoy tomato sandwiches, keep it simple. Make sure it's fresh, picked today. And enjoy this treasure. Thank you for staying with me if you're here till the end. This was fun for me, and it was the reward I've been waiting for since somewhere right after Christmas, when the tomatoes got to be pithy and tasteless. And I am a happy man. Thank you for viewing. Please consider subscribing, sharing, liking, thumbs up my channel. I hope you enjoy this kind of adventure with me. And as I always say, stay well, stay safe, stay smart, and bye for now.